Understanding, it's over my budget. A guide to financial phrasing in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase in English, it's over my budget. Whether you're shopping, planning a trip, or discussing finances, knowing how to use this phrase can help you communicate effectively about money. Stay with us as we explore what it means, how to use it, and its importance in everyday conversation. When someone says, "It's over my budget," they mean that the cost of something is more than the amount of money they had planned or are able to spend. A budget is a plan that shows how much money a person has and how they intend to spend it. Saying something is over your budget implies careful financial planning and the need to stick within certain spending limits. Understanding and using the phrase, "It's over my budget," is crucial for several reasons. Financial responsibility. It shows awareness of one's financial limitations and a commitment to staying within them. Clear communication. It offers a polite and straightforward way to decline a purchase or proposal that is too expensive. Negotiation. In some contexts, it can be a starting point for negotiating a better price or finding a more affordable alternative. Let's look at a few examples to see how "it's over my budget" can be used in everyday conversation. While car shopping, "I really like this model, but unfortunately, it's over my budget." Discussing a project proposal, "We appreciate your proposal, but the costs are over our budget. Can we discuss some adjustments?" Planning a vacation, "That hotel looks amazing, but it's over our budget. Let's look for something more affordable." If you want to vary your language or soften your message, you can use phrases similar to, "It's over my budget. That's a bit pricier than I had in mind. I'm trying to stick to a tighter budget. It exceeds what I'm willing to spend." These alternatives also convey that something is more than you can afford but might sound less direct or offer a gentler refusal. And that wraps up our guide to using "It's over my budget." We hope this video helps you navigate conversations about finances with more confidence and clarity. Remember, talking about money doesn't have to be daunting, and being honest about your budget is always a good practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.